Welcome to another important topic in this public health and hygiene. Principles of diet in diseases, classification of diets according to the nutrients and their value. Actually, we have been discussed about these in another videos, but now once again we will survey these contents. Principles of diet in diseases. Individualization. Actually, what type of food have to be taken, how much food have to be taken, that is depending upon the individuals. Then the person who is working in the industry, the person who is working in the fields have to be taken uh, very nutrient food or huge food. The person who is working in the software, for example, the person who is working before the computer have to be taken very less amount of food. That is depend upon the individualization, and but everyone should take the balanced diet. How much food they are eating is that is depending upon the individualization, but everyone should take balanced diet. Quantity of the food may be different, but the quality of the food should be same. Then gradual change is very important. For example, one person is suffering with a particular disease, obesity for example. If he wanted to lose his weight immediately, if he will change his diet dietary management immediately, that may leads to very dangerous situation. Then what happened, gradual change is very important. If they wanted to gain the weight, if they wanted to lose the weight, if they wanted to change their dietary management, gradual change is very important, but not the immediate change. Then what are the food materials in our foods are the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, A, D, E, and B, C vitamins, minerals, micronutrients and macronutrients. Dietary fiber. Fiber is very important in our food to digest for the proper digestion, and water occupies more important role in our food material. Drink more and more water can causes proper digestion and proper utilization in our body, and hydrated body is very important always. Then the carbohydrates can give energy. Mostly they can produces the ATP energy in our cells. The continuous supply of ATP energy is essential for our body to run the metabolic activities. Then the proteins are very important because they can run the metabolic activities as enzymes. Without these proteins, we cannot run our metabolic activities. Deficiency of proteins leads to metabolic disorders. Then fats are also very important, but they require in less quantities for adults. But however, they are also very important to maintaining the cell structure and the nervous system maintenance. Vitamins and minerals are very important. Of course, these vitamins and minerals may be required in less quantities, but they play many huge role in running the metabolic activities as biological catalysts. Dietary fiber, which can causes weight to our food material. The food material have to be moved in our digestive system in the proper manner. Then we have to maintain some dietary fiber. Water is the universal solvent, that is very important. The body should be always hydrated. The food should be hydrated. Then the proper digestion, proper circulation, proper breathing, proper everything is proper if you take the proper amount of water. Then what you have to do is you have to maintain balanced diet, high protein diet, but not high carbohydrate diet. If you use high carbohydrate diet, what happen, it may leads to obesity, or it may leads to diabetes mellitus, the sugar disease. If you use high protein diet, what happen, the metabolic, it can use to run your metabolic activities in proper manner. Low protein diet means a diet with restricted protein intake, often prescribed a people with kidney disease only, those people who are, because The proteins are degraded and excreted by the kidneys. If they take, those people who are suffering with the kidney disease take the more, if they take more proteins, what happens, the excretion process will become more complicated. Low carbohydrate diet, a diet that limits carbohydrate intake, often used to weight loss or managing diabetes. uh, that's better advice. High fiber diet is very important. Keep some fiber in your diet always. Low fat diet is good for your health, prevent the heart attacks. Sodium restricted diet, because you hypertension is avoided if you restrict this sodium consumption. Then gluten free diet, a diet that contain excluded gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, should be avoided. Lactose free diet, the diet avoids lactose. Sugar free diet have to be maintained. Then the person's health and the community health as well as the public health will be good.